Alright, so I got the truck and the trailer out. That only means one thing. We're on a retrieval mission. Now, the strangest thing is, it's Aaron and Mike calling me. They said that the bike broke down, and I have absolutely no idea how and why. They said that the battery died or something, so I don't see why it wouldn't bump start. I don't get how it doesn't bump start. So either way, they said they've exhausted options and the bike is just down for the count. So I'm headed down to Hayward to go pick the bike up. And I'm baffled. I'm absolutely perplexed. He said they mobbed around, they rode around, had some fun, and they were just getting ready to go on a big long round trip mission, which would be cool for the both of them to just really go out and ride. And I remember those missions, man. Those missions used to be the shit. Me and my partner Marcus used to go do that shit. Just be on missions all day, like put like 200, 300 miles on the bike in one day, right? So anyway, they were about to go on a big mission and the bike wouldn't charge and just stalled. I'm going to put a charge on the battery. I'm gonna charge it up overnight, go to work, come back, and then I'm gonna test it tomorrow. I think I jinxed myself when I said the bike is 100% solid, that you'll never have a problem with it. Lo and be fucking hold. And I've been y'all see me, I've been mobbing this bike. It's never had a problem starting up. This is interesting. I just feel like I'm haunted by motorcycles that leave me. Jeff's, the R6, he's been having a hell of a time with that, and they just got that thing running. But Jeff is a mechanic and he has electrical knowledge because he works at Tesla and he does a lot of that shit. So he has more patience, I should say. But when, like with, you know, Mike and Aaron being new to the bikes, trying to figure it out as they're trying to apply like the basic common knowledge that they have as far as automotive. I don't want to troubleshoot in the field, so I'm gonna do that in my environment, at home, chilling. I'm gonna get that all taken care of. So I don't know, whatever. All right, interesting. I'm out. At least I'm out for now. I'm gonna figure this out. When I figure this out, I'll be back. Welcome to the vlog. So check it out. Dropped by. I grabbed some wheels that don't have racer slicks on them from my other homeboy. He has some R6 wheels around. Got some coil packs, and then we'll be rocking and test riding this here in a little bit. And I got the Hall of Game in here. It's funny because nobody could tell me as a kid that this was going to be like what my garage is. That's the one that started it all. The 1992 FZR 600. It's the first real boy that changed the super sport game, right? Because super sports are 600s, super bikes are 1000s. This is the boy that stepped the game up for the super bikes, the 1000s. Everything changed. Everything that you see now with leader bikes, this is he. You may think it's all Gixxer, it's all Cowie, but Cowie and Gixxer execs will tell you this is what made it crack. Then we got the mans right here. When the R6 first became fuel injected and the domination that happened in Super Sport 600cc, these was the boys. And so then out back, you guys know I have the 05 R1, which was just like the coolest street bike. Ducati's had the twin undertail exhaust, and then Yamaha went to the twin undertail, and it was just the coolest shit, and it was rocking. I basically have all the tides that turned from Yamaha, right? Now, one last bike that I want to get is going to be the Crossplane, the Big Bang, 2009 to 2014, but I really want the 2014, 2013 model because that's the one that's the real Stormtrooper that really got the game to where it is with the new R1 now. So once I collect all those, I'll have the official lineup of all of the Yamahas that was really rocking, aside for the R7. But now I have another bike, actually, that just came back, and it seems to not want to leave. Yeah, I got a weird call that this bike battery died and they couldn't bump start it. I tried and tried. Battery and everything is charged, but we don't have no start. So starter's right there. Starter solenoid is under here. I feel it. Clicks. You can even hear it click. Matter of fact, let me just demonstrate. Everything firing up, fuel pump, everything's good. I don't know what happened, but listen to this. That's no good, and I don't know what's going on. The starter, you could feel the energy on the starter, right? Aaron did not say that anything exceptional happened. Him and Mike just got off the freeway. They were just riding around. I guess he tried to, so see right here, the parking lot, you could turn it to here, right? It shuts the bike off, but when you turn it here, that doesn't like kill it. He said he tried to put it in park. That's park, but it's not really park. It's just the parking lights or hazard lights. So when you're on the side of the freeway, so that puts energy out. So that's what killed the battery. But I don't know how battery dying translates to this right here, what we got going on now. He was riding it, and he said it was riding fine, regular and normal, but he got off the freeway, and he went to take off, and he stalled, and he couldn't fire it back up. Then he said they tried to bump start it, they ran down a hill, they did all kind of extra shit, and now, we have that.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm not gonna do what everyone thinks I'm gonna do. Flip out, man.
I don't know what it is, so I can't even diagnose what I think. But I just feel bad that we are all super excited for the situation, and he only got one day of fun out of it. So I'm just about to rip this case cover off, look at the starter gear, make sure nothing's jammed. Hopefully something's jammed, maybe got loose. I don't know. Okay. I mean, I guess I can give it an oil change because I'm gonna pop that open. It's gonna drain the oil out anyway. Enough rambling. Let's jump into it. So per the suggestion, one of you guys said in the comments to go ahead and time lapse when I'm working on bikes, and then just do a voiceover later. So we're gonna start the time lapse right about now. All right, yo, so y'all ain't gonna believe this shit. Now, starter works. Everything else is good. And I'm gonna show you how the starter works. This is the drive gear that clicks onto the flywheel right there, which turns the flywheel, starts the bike. Now, just to show you, starter works. All right. Now, I'm really trying to figure it out. And I'm looking at everything, anything that could be the culprit. What can be the culprit? How can this starter that obviously works not turn this and not turn that flywheel? It's not the motor, because I know the motor's good. I've been beating on this thing. I've done every check. I've had every concern. I've hit every group, every Facebook group, every forum to see, just to lurk and see where the problems lie on this bike. Where are the issues, right? I didn't know anything about this bike a couple of months ago, and now I know this bike inside and out now. So why in the fuck will this thing not start? So as I look around the bike more, I dip my finger in the oil, I look at it, I see no shavings, no sparkly shit. So the motor didn't blow. What in the fuck is going on? As I'm looking, everything's good here, but wait. Why is there a screw missing? Oh shit, we've already drained the oil. Hopefully it's in the oil pan. Who knows where it's at? There's where the oil can go back into the oil pan. He didn't say he heard any catastrophes, but as I was looking down there, what's this?
You know what that means? Take the L out of lover. It's over, brother.
Ain't that a bitch? Now let's try to extract it. All right, y'all, we're ultimately successful. Out of all the tools that I do have, there's one tool that I do not have. And everybody's seen it before. A lot of y'all have it. It's a extendable and retractable magnet. If I had had that, would have got the job done in record time. But I had to take some rigid firewire and put a magnet on it and, you know, pull the shit out. But the good thing is we got it pulled out. The job's done. The stress is over with. I've already started the bike and it runs. This is what I had to do. I had to drill it out and then crush it and then put a magnet on it and pull it out and around the flywheel and out the top. Got Loctite on the new joints that I put in there and got it all put in. Oil's out of it. There's still oil in it, but obviously he's got an oil change. But check it out. Running bike. Now, here's the fun part. Hopefully it goes good and you'll get to see Aaron's response to the trick I'm about to play on him. I'm sorry, Aaron. All love. But the devil's fucking with me. There's no reason this should have happened. And I don't even know how it happened, but it did happen. I was able to see it. We got it. Motor saved. Your fun is about to take place. So, for the love of you riding out this weekend and you and Mike going and having a blast, and I'm going to actually get to start on my project, let's play a prank on Aaron. Yo.
What's up?
Well, battery's good, starter's good, but I had to take a lot of shit apart. So the bad news is, can you see this?
Yeah.
That was blocking the starter and the flywheel.
So it's fucked up. Some boat came out and it was blocking the starter and the flywheel.
But the good news is,
Hey, you an asshole, bud. Hey, you a fucking asshole. I'm on my way to kick your ass. Nah, fuck that shit. That ain't funny, bro.
hey, do you know how my fucking heart stopped when I saw that motherfucker, nigga?
Man, when you just showed me that, my fucking heart just stopped. Man, I'm on my way. Fuck that.
My nigga. All right, he'll be ready for you. I'm going to clean her up and you good. You ready to ride, cuz?
Hell yeah, because we got plans for this weekend, cuz, so you better be ready.
So that's why I got my ass off of work and I got on it for you, my Niwi. The legend of Fair and Aaron continues, you heard?
All right, man, we about to be on our way, man.
All right, peace. I hate to do it to him, but it's good content, so. God dang, that was stressful, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that was stressful. But let me put the bike together. Fair and Aaron back on the road, y'all.